Alright, here's this Janitrol central air conditioner. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. This is a 3-ton, $19.99. And it looks like this one's a straight cool. There's a package one of these right here up on a ledge. Serial number is blocked off by the pipeline, the wiring, but probably from about the same time as this one over here. And the disconnect is hanging off on this one. It's a Midwest. Yeah, I don't know if this one runs it well. I mean, it's still pretty well set up, just the disconnect's hanging off, so I'm not sure. But yeah, that's gonna be it. There's a door up there that leads to nothing. Try it out.